everyone and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, I will teach you how you can create a Gemini AI that automatically replies to your new Google business reviews. Imagine you receive a review from the customer. It's not a good review. You have received a low rating review. Now, if you are replying to that review instantly as it is posted, they are going to see, okay, the customer is professionally replying to my bad review. They are apologizing for the services. They are trying to convince me instantly instead of ignoring. Then in this case, the customer might change their mind about your business. This creates brand value in front of customers. In the similar manner, if you receive a positive review and you send a reply immediately to them that thank you for the review, thank you so much, this and this. So like you send a good reply to the customer who posted the review, this is also going to create a very good brand value. Now, if you want to do this, you might think you need a lot of technical coding or programming skills to create such amazing setup. No, it's very easy to create, and in next 10 minutes you can create the setup with me. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the creation of this setup that is going to automatically reply to the reviews that you will receive on your Google business profile. So let's dive into this video. If you want to access Pabbly Connect, on a new tab, search for www.pabbly.com/connect and you will come to this landing page. Now, if you're logging in for the first time, simply sign up for free from here, using which you will get 100 free tasks every single month. Using the 100 tasks, you can create the setup that I'm teaching you in this video right away. Till the end of this video, you can create the entire setup, test it out from your end. And if you like this setup and how Pabbly Connect actually works, you can purchase a yearly or one-time plans. I will suggest you to purchase a one-time plans. Why? Because instead of paying an amount, a subscription amount every single year or month, what you can do is you can simply give this amount once and use Pabbly Connect's features forever. So I will suggest you to buy our Unlimited Plus lifetime plan. Why? Because you will receive 20,000 tasks every single month, means more tasks, means you can create more amazing automations for a lifetime, and you will see these other features you will get access to with each and every plan. Now you can see existing discounts are going on our one-time plans right now, but if you want additional discounts on top of them, you can use the code on the left side of my screen. The same code is in the description section. While checking out, use the code, get extra discounts, and then you can automate your business workflows using Pabbly Connect. I have already created a setup with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you want this free template so that you can directly create the connections instead of building the entire workflow, you can check out the workflow link in the description section. I will set up my trigger right over here, in which I'm going to click on this connect button. My trigger is Google Business Profile, new review instead. It's a new trigger that we have recently launched, that as soon as a new review will be posted on my Google Business Profile, automatically and instantly the response will be captured. Go towards this add new connection and sign in with Google button. Select the account with the help of which you have created your Google Business Profile from here, and then you have to give the access of the account, for which click on this allow button, as this is a safe process and my data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect. Choose the account with the help of which you have created your Google Business Profile, and then select the location from the drop down where your business location of which you want to automatically create the replies to. Okay, now after that, simply over here in the important notes section over here, this is a very important point. It says recommended to do real data testing. To test your workflows using real data instead of placeholder values, ensure the selected location already has at least one existing record. Example, a past review before starting the setup. If no history exists, the system will fall back to the placeholder data, so you can complete the configuration. So right now it says the system monitors for Google Business Profile continuously while notifications sent promptly. When an event occurs, please allow interval of 10 to 20 minutes for the new updates to fully process and reflect on your workflow testing. As now we are creating a workflow, it will take 10 to 20 minutes for the response to currently captured in the trigger right here. So now instead of that, what you can do is for the real-time data testing and and creating the workflow in the location that you're selecting. If there is an existing last review posted, that review can be captured over here in the trigger that you can use in the further steps to create the setup. So now before that, before I'm going to click on this save and send test request button, I'm going to post a new review on this Google business profile, and then we are going to click on the button, and you will see automatically that review that we are posting right now will be captured in the trigger. So now let me add in the review right here. Great collection for weddings and festival occasions. The outfits are stylish, elegant and beautifully finished. I will post this review over here, as now this review has been created successfully on my Google business profile. Now if I'm going to go back to my trigger and click on the save and send test request button, after clicking on this button, within 15 to 20 seconds, you will see automatically the trigger is going to capture the test event response. So I will wait over here for 10 to 15 seconds, and you will see the last review that we have posted on our Google business profile is exactly going to be captured in this same trigger response right here. So let me wait over here, and you can see automatically a response is captured. The review is from Ashira. It's a 5-star rating of the same review that I've posted. Great collection for wedding and festival occasions. So as now the response is captured, now we can use this response in the further steps. Now as you will create this entire setup, after the setup is created, after 10 to 20 minutes of the setup been created, the workflow is automatically going to work for every new review that you will receive. So now in the similar manner, catch the response over here in the trigger, create the entire setup, and then the entire setup is going to work for you. Okay, so now as I've received the response in the trigger, Google business profile is successfully working. Now as Google business profile is successfully connected to Pabbly Connect, now let's generate the reply for this review using Gemini. For Gemini, we have Google AI Studio Gemini generate content. Click on this connect option, go towards this add new connection section, and we need to provide an API key. To have the key, go towards this hyperlink. You will come to your Gemini API keys page next. Now on this page right over here, go to this get API key section, generate the key from here, copy the key from here, paste it down in this field and create the connection. I have already created my connection, so I will select the existing one from before and click on the save button. Now we need to enter a text. Now what is this text? Text is the prompt using which AI will analyze a request, generate the reply accordingly. So I have a prompt right here, that is, so this is my prompt that I have written right over here. Okay, so it says, you are a customer support brand communication expert for Urban Thread Studios, a premium fashion brand. Generate a warm, natural, personalized reply to the customer review using the information provided below. Now I have to enter the name of the customer. For the data of this field, I will map the data. Enter a slash previous step is going to appear. In the previous step, you will see the name of the customer who have posted the review. So select the data of the customer from the previous response, which makes this data, you can clearly see it's mapped and dynamic. Now whenever a new name of the customer will be captured in the trigger, that name will be updated in place of this mapped data. Now where for the rating, I will map the date of the rating that I have received in this step. Similarly, I will map the date of the comment that I have received in this step right over here. So this is the comment, and these are the instructions that I've written that this Gemini is going to work upon and generate the reply accordingly. Now if you want this entire prompt for yourself to use and generate amazing workflows, generate amazing replies from Gemini, you have to comment down below prompt and I will share you this prompt instantly. For the model, I will use 2.5 Pro right over here. Gemini 2.5 Pro method is going to be generate content, and I'm going to click on the save and send test request button. Within few seconds, you will see Gemini is going to generate the response to the specific comment that is made by Ashirai. Rating is 5. So now accordingly the reply will be generated, and you can see this is the reply. Hi Ashi, thank you for your wonderful 5-star review. We are so delighted to hear you found our collection stylish and elegant, perfect for wedding and festival occasions. You can see I have received this personalized reply for Ashirai. Okay, so as now the reply is generated, let's post the reply back on our Google business profile. Click on this connect option. Now I will select the existing connection from before, like I've created one before. Now next you have to select the account ID. The location and the ID is automatically selected. For the review name, I will map the date of the name of my review that I have received in the previous step. So I will search for the name and map the date of the name right here. And for the reply, I will map the date of the reply generated by Gemini and click on this save and send test request button. As soon as I've done that, I've received this response, and if I'm going to go back to my Urban Thread Studios page and I'm going to open my Google review right over here, you will see automatically to this review, the same review, you will see the reply is forwarded, that is the same reply. Hi Ashi, thank you for your wonderful 5-star review. We are so delighted to hear from you. You found our collection stylish and elegant. You can see this reply has been forwarded towards this review successfully. As now the reply is forwarded instantly, this is how this setup is created. Now whenever a new review will be posted on your Google business profile by any of the customers, automatically that review will receive a reply, whether it's a bad review or whether it's a bad review or a good review, the reply will be generated by Gemini accordingly. So now if you have any questions or doubts related to the setup, do comment down below and I will reply to all your queries. To have the prompt that I've given to Gemini to generate the response of every review that I've received, you have to comment the word prompt in the comment section and I will share you the entire prompt. So this was it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this connection, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you, you can check out the link given over here. And if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching.